Okay, guys, let's start. We are on page 270. We'll continue in numerical expressions. Now, in the previous lesson, guys, we talked about uh, order of operations. We said we have order of operations, Now, we have four order of operations. The first one, brackets, parentheses, or brackets. The first one. The second one, exponents, or we call them powers. The third step or the third order is multiply or divide from left to right. And the fourth, which is the last, it's plus or minus from left to right. This is the order of operation. Keep it, guys, keep it in your mind and do numerical expression always using these four steps. In the previous lesson, we took example 1 and check 1, I think. We took check 1, right? Example and check. Who remember here, guys? Hisham, Abdul Rahman.
Yes, Mr. We solved the check one and the example one.
We did example 1 and check, right? Under the example 1, right?
Yes.
Good, guys. Let's today go to example 2 together. Example 2, and we'll use order of operations always. Example 2, read, Mr. Abdul Rahman, read.
Okay, example 2, evaluate numerical expressions. Evaluate 5 plus 8 to power 2 divide 2 over 5 multiply 2.
Like this, right?
Yes.
Do you hear me very well, ya Abdul Rahman?
Yes.
You see the board?
Yes.
Good. Now, guys, thank you, Abdul Rahman. Now here, guys, we have this numerical expression. This we call it expression. All of it numbers, so we call it numerical expression. Expression means more than one operation. Now, when we use order of operations, if we have more than one operation, we use order of operations. Now, let's go back here. The first step is to do brackets or parentheses. I have parentheses here, but inside the parentheses, I have two operations. I have exponent and division. So the first thing I will do order of operations inside the exponent. So I will start with the bracket, but inside the bracket, I have exponent and division. I have two things here. But in the order of operations, I have the exponent before the division. So the first thing I will do is the exponent, then the division, not the division, then the exponent. So the 5 is still the same. The bracket is still a bracket because I'm not done with it, but I'll do 8 to the power 2. 8 to the power 2, do not do it here, do it outside. 8 to the power 2 equal 8 by 8, which is 64. We did that before. 8 to the power 2 is 64 divided by 2 over 5 multiplied by 2. The brackets is still down, the parenthesis is still, guys, because I'm not done with it. I did the exponent before the division because this is what the order of operations is telling me. Now, after I did the first step, I'll go back to my parentheses. I need to get rid of the parentheses. I have division here. 64 divided by 2 over 5. This is a whole number divided by a fraction. We took that before. Let's make it outside, guys, on extra paper. Do the calculations here and here put the answers, okay? So I'll do 64 divided by 2 over 5 using division of a fraction, if you remember, 2 over 5. In the division of fractions, guys, this is over 1. We did that before. This is 64 over 1. Multiply, we flip 5 over 2. This is equal to. Now we multiply up, multiply down, then we divide. 1 by 2, 2. 64 by 5, we'll multiply. 64 by 5, multiply 0, 2, 32, 320. 320 divided by 2, make division. 320 divided by 2, 1, 2, subtract 1, 2, 6, 160. So the answer here is 160. The answer of what? Of 64 divided by 2 over 5 of the bracket. So I get the bracket, guys, the parentheses, and I prepare it here, and I get the answer of it. So this is equal 5 plus, in place of the bracket now, I will put the answer of it, which is 160. 160, and the multiplication by 2 is comes down. Again, guys, I have this question here. This is this numerical expression. Now, order of operation, I will start with the parentheses. But inside the parentheses, I have exponent and division. Here, the exponent before the division. So I did the exponent before. 8 to the power 2 is 64. Then I do the division, and the brackets still, the parentheses is still with me, because I'm not done with it, with what's inside it yet. So I will do this division now. This division here, guys, I have a whole number divided by a fraction. We did that before: multiply, then flip, then multiply, then divide. Do what we did before. The answer of the division is 160. Now I get rid of the parentheses, and the answer is 160. Notice that the 5 plus 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 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is still the same, because I'm just doing the parentheses first. All the other things will be the same. Now what I have here, I have 5 plus 162 multiply 2. I have addition, then multiplication. The third step here is the multiplication. So I'll do multiply before the add. So this is equal 5 plus, do multiply, 2 multiplied by 160, 2 by 0, 0, 2 by 6, 12, 2 by 1, 2 with 1, 3, 320. 320. Now the last step is to add 5 plus 320, 325. This is how we do example 2, guys. Example 2, the answer of it is 325. Now after I finish, I don't need all of these calculations. I don't need them. Now we have check. Under this example, guys, we have check. Let's do the check together. Under this example, we have check. Let's do it together. I'll select Mr. Hisham.
Yes, Mr.
Read, ya Hisham. We have check. Did you understand example 2?
Yes.
Yalla, read.
Evaluate 8.2 multiply brackets 2 to the power 4
أيوة.
minus 3 close brackets plus 8.
So I have multiply, I have exponent, subtract, plus, I have everything. Now 8.2 multiply 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 all plus 8, right?
Yes. We will
Yeah,
start
can you tell me, Mr. From where I will start here?
from the brackets.
From the parentheses here, I will start. This is equal 8.2 multiply, and the plus 8 is still the same. I just do the parentheses. Can you tell me what I will do here in the parentheses? What I have?
We'll make 2 multiply itself 4 times.
So I will do the exponent before the subtraction. Why? Because this is the order. The exponent before the subtraction. So here, guys, I have 2 operations. I have exponent and subtraction. What I will do first, the exponent, then the subtraction. So the parenthesis is still, because I will prepare what first? What?
The exponent.
The exponent. So 2 to the power 4, I will do it outside of the word, guys. Prepare it here. 2 to the power 4, it is 2 times 2. As Hisham said, we multiply 2 with itself 4 times. What's the answer, Hisham, of this 2 to the power 4?
16.
16. 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 is 16. So I replace this exponent, guys, by 16. Do we get rid of the parentheses or not yet?
Not yet. We will make 16
now
minus
I'm ready.
3.
Exactly. Now I'm ready to get rid of it, right? So tell me.
So it will be 8.2 multiply 3, I mean 13
13. 16 minus 3 is 13. I have one number. Now I get rid of the parentheses. At the end, plus what?
8.
Plus
We'll
8.
start by multiply.
What?
We'll start by multiply. We will
Why not
multiply
add?
8
Why not add, you mister? Why not add?
because we always start with the multiply, then the add.
Because the order of operations, the multiplication becomes before the addition, right? This is step 3. The addition is step 4. So here I will do multiply, then I will add, right?
Yes.
Yalla, how I will multiply, ya mister?
We'll make fractions.
أي fractions يا حبيبي?
No. I mean we will make 13 decimal.
Yalla, how we multiply 8.2 multiply 13? Can you tell me how we multiply them?
We will remove the decimal from 8.2. It will be 82 multiply 13.
Exactly. Guys, here, if you remember, here we did division of a fraction. Here I will do multiply of decimals. Here I do exponent. But we took exponent. We took division of a fraction. We took multiplication of decimals. We took all of these things. That's why, guys, we are building here. Because if you don't know how to multiply by decimals, you won't finish this one. If you don't know how to divide by fractions, you won't finish. Got it? That's why we took division of fractions, we took exponent, we took multiply with decimals to be ready to do all of the operations together. Now 8.2 multiply 13, as Hisham said, we multiply without decimal. 82 multiply 13, right?
Yes.
Yeah, let's multiply. 3 by 2, 6. 3 by 8, 24. 0, 2, 8. Plus. مش check يا هشام?
Yes.
يلا, this is 6, this is 6, this is 10. Right? Let me check بالله. 3 by 2, 6. 3 by 8, 24. Then 0, 1 by 2, 2. 1 by 8, 8. 6, 6, 10. Now, I'm done with multiplying without decimal. Where I will put the decimal, يا هشام?
We'll count how many digits. After the decimal, we have only one digit.
So here I will count one digit from the right?
Yeah.
So it will be here. So the answer 106.6, right?
Yeah, plus 18.
Now here, in place of this multiplication, the answer is 106.6 8 at the end. How much 106.6 plus 8, ya Hisham?
Equals 106. 1.4.
ايش؟
100 equal 106.14.
You add 6 with 8, right?
Yes.
ممتاز يا هشام. Thank you. ممتاز. رهيب يا هشام. Wait. أحمد بردويل, are you with me? خليك يا هشام معي.
Yes, Mister.
أحمد بردويل, what's the answer here? 106.6 plus 8.
114.6.
114.6. Look يا هشام. ممتاز يا أحمد. Thank you. هشام. هشام, are you here? وين راح هشام؟
Yes, Mister, by mistake.
It's okay. Look here يا هشام. You said 106.14. You added the 6 with the 8, right?
Yeah.
Which is wrong, ya Hisham. This is wrong. How we add, ya Hisham? Look here. 106.6. The 8 has decimal?
No.
The 8 where will be? It will be. The 8 we can add decimal 0, مش هيك? If the number has no decimal.
Yes.
So the 8 will be here, يا ابني, huh?
Yes.
And we add 6 decimal 6 plus 8. 114, 1, 1. So the answer 114.6. Do you get you did the difficult things, yeah, Hisham?
Yes.
Okay? Do you understand it?
Yes. Yes.
Copy, guys. Thank you, Hisham. Thank you, Ahmed Bardawil. Copy, guys. Copy. Copy. This is check under example 2. This is the check under example 2. Copy it, please. Now let's go to example 3 together. Example 3, guys. We have kind of a problem solving, small one. Finish the check, guys. Let's go to example 3 together. Yalla. I want someone to read or to do it with me. Marwan.
Yes, Mr.
Marwan, do you hear me and see the board?
Yes, yes, yes,
You understand the example and the check which we did?
yes.
Good. Yalla. Go to example 3 and read it with me.
Okay. Write and evaluate numerical expression. Paulo is shopping for the items shown in the table.
We have a table. I will copy the table. Wait, Marwan. Marwan.
Okay.
I will copy the table, guys, quickly. Here we have the item, sorry, the item and the cost. Item and cost by dollar. The first item is what? Lotion, right?
Yes, lotion. The cost
Lotion, how much?
5.00.
$5, يعني. 5.0 is 5, right?
Yes.
طيب, the other one?
The candle.
Candle, 7.80.
Yes.
Candle, it is 7.8, right?
Yes.
And the third one?
Lip balm.
Balm, 2.49.
Yes.
Balm, 2.49. Now look here. Here, guys, 7.80. I didn't put the 0.
Yeah, because we don't need the zero.
It has no value. So باولا راحت على السوبر ماركت واشترت هذول الاشياء. Continue اشوف.
Write an expression to represent the total cost of 5 lotions, 2 candles, and 4 lip balms. Then
Paula want to buy, wait a mister. Paula want to buy how many lotions?
5 lotions.
5 lotions, right?
Yes.
And how many candles?
2.
2 candles. And how many palms?
4.
4 palms, right? Bulbs.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Paula want to buy these items here. Now, let's leave this example here and come with me, Marwan, here. Now, if you want to buy, look at Marwan. What do you like from the supermarket, Marwan?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Yeah. The chocolate, let's say 1 chocolate, you can buy the 1 chocolate, you can buy it by $3. Okay?
Okay.
Stop. If you want to buy 5 chocolate, how much money you will pay?
We will make the 5 multiply the cost, $3.
Which is 5 by 3,
15,
15, right?
yes.
$15. If you want to buy 6 chocolates, how
Six-
much you will pay?
18.
18, which is 6 by 3. So to
Yeah.
multiply or to find the cost, guys, we multiply the number of the items which we want to buy by the cost of one item, right?
Yes.
So here, if we have 5 lotions and each one lotion costs 5, so
Yes.
what is the cost of the 5 lotions will be?
It should be you need expression, so it should be 5 power 2, which is 25.
We can say 5 power 2 because it's 5 multiply 5, right?
Yes, I say 5
I
power
would
2.
say 5 multiply 5 or 5 power 2, it's the same, right?
Yes, equal
Done.
25.
This is for the lotion, plus we add the costs together, right?
Yes, plus
Stop. Candles, each one candle 2.7.8. If I want to buy 2 candles, how I will find it?
we should make it. It should be multiply. So we remove the decimal. It will be 78. Then we
Write the numbers first, semester.
yes in brackets because the
Write the numbers. Write the numbers, semester.
yes 2
2 multiply the
7.8.
cost of one candle, which is 7.8, right?
Yes, yes.
This is the cost of the candles, plus how many bulbs?
4.
You want to buy 4 bulbs. Each
Yes.
bulb is 2.49. So 4
4 multiply
multiply
2.49.
2.49. This is our expression, guys. This is our expression. The total cost will be the cost of the lotion plus the cost of the candle, the lotions, the candles, and the cost of the bulbs, right?
Yes.
Now, how we calculate it, Master? What we will do first?
First,
We will follow the order of operations, right?
yes, if, in the order of operations, he need brackets, but he no brackets. Then
There is no brackets. Exponent.
Exponent, no exponent. 5 by 5.
No exponent. So I don't have parentheses. I don't have exponents.
Yes.
Still, I have a 3 and 4.
Yes.
Multiply, divide, plus, minus. What I will do first?
Then multiply 5. Multiply 5 first.
So first, guys, I'll go from left to right and do multiply or divide if we have. So I have here multiply, here multiply, here multiply. So I'll multiply the 3 multiplications here, right? Yeah. 5 by 5 is 25.
5
Plus.
25.
Here, 2 multiply 7.8. We multiply 2 with 78. 2 by 8, 16, 14, 15. 156. I have 1 digit so that the decimal will be here. So 2 multiply 7.8 is 15.6, right, ya Marwan? Marwan. Rah, Marwan. 4 by 2.49, guys, we'll do the same. I'll do 4 multiply 249. Normally, 4 by 9, 36. 4 by 4, 16 with the 3, 19. 4 by 2, 8 with 1, 9. And the decimal will be after the 6 because no, the decimal will be here. 2 digits because I have 2 digits. So the answer of this multiply is 9.96. Now, after I finish the multiplications, the first, I will do the addition. I'll do the addition. I'll put all of these numbers over each other. How? I'll put 25, then the decimals, but the 25 has no decimal. So I will add decimal 0. It has no decimal. I add decimal for it. 15.6, 15.6, and 9.96. 9.96, line 0 add. Look, guys, decimal over decimal over decimal, ones, tens, tenths, hundreds. Here we have empty places. We add zeros. Then we add. Now, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 5 down, 1 up. Don't forget the decimal on its place. Now 1 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 9, 20. So 0 down, 2 up. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So the total cost will be 50.56. 50.56 dollar. After I finish, guys, I don't need all of these calculations. You can make it on extra paper.
Mister, I don't understand. I don't understand the question.
Mister, one lotion is $5. If you want to buy 5 lotions, how much you will pay?
25?
Why?
Because 5 multiply 5.
Hey, got it?
Okay.
But one candle, 7.8. But if you want to buy 2 candles, what you will do?
2 multiply 7.8.
Hey. Right?
Okay.
1 bulb, 2.49. But you want to buy 4 bulbs, how much you will pay? You will multiply them.
48.
طيب, then find the multiplications, then add them. Got it?
Yes.
But now let's go to the check. We have check under this example. I don't know if I have time. Okay, guys, we have check under this example, I think, or after this example. Yes, I have checked on page 272. Tickets to play cost. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Okay. We have check after this example. I want someone to read with me here. Yusuf Tamer.
Yes, Mister.
Read, Yusuf. We have check after the example, guys. It's on page
272.
272. Yeah, read the check, mister.
Tickets to a play cost $10.50 for adult members of the theater, $19.95 for adult non-members, and $8 for students.
Wait. So for the adults,
The adults members of the theater, $10.50.
$10.50. انسى الزيرو ها.
Okay.
يلا.
And for the adult non-members of the theater,
wait.
19.
حبيبنا wait. For the adult 10.5. The adult هذا adult member اسمه ها.
Yeah, adult member.
في adult non-member.
Non-member, yes.
Okay, adult non-member. How much?
$19.95.
$95. طب, and the students?
$8.
$8. So the ticket for the adult and the adult member is 10.5. And if he or she adult and he or she not member, it's 19.95. And for the students, $8. خلاص? This is the given information. Now let's read the question. What's the question want? Continue.
Suppose 4 non-members, 2 members, and 8 students are buying tickets for the play.
Help. So I
Which
have
expression?
2 members, right?
Yeah.
2
4
members
non-members. Yeah.
and 4
2 members.
non-members.
Uh,
And how many
8
students?
students. 8.
8 students. They want to buy tickets. All of these people here, they want to buy tickets. I have 2 members, 4 non-members, and 8 students, right?
Yeah.
Continue.
Which expression could be used to find the total cost of the text?
Good. Let's find the expression and then we choose our answer, okay, mister?
Okay.
Yeah. If one ticket for the adult member 10.5, if we have 2 members, what it should be?
D.
Mister, let's
There
find
is
the
choices.
expression. يا غالي الله يسعدك.
There is choices. Brackets. Open
ماشي
brackets.
mister. Let's find the expression, mister, before we go to the choices, okay? Let's solve the
Okay.
question, then we go to the choice, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr.
One
The
adult
expression
member,
is the choices.
10.5. If we have 2 members, mister, what I will write here to find the total cost?
2 members. 1 minute. 10.50
أيوة.
to the power 2.
How come, يعني? How? I have 2 members and the ticket 10.5. كيف power 2 يعني? No, it's not 10.5 to the power 2. It is 2 multiply 10.5 يا مستر عادي.
Okay.
2 multiply 10.5 عادي. Plus. Now the one adult not member is 19.95. If we have 4 non-members, sorry.
4
So 4 multiply
19.95.
19.95, right?
Yeah.
Right. If
And
we
leave
have
8 multiply 8.
for the one student 8, if we have 8 students, it will be 8 times 8, right?
Yeah.
Now the 8 times 8, because they are equal, we can write it as 8 power 2. This we can write it 8 times 8 or 8 power 2, right?
Yeah.
Now let's search about similar expressions and the choices here.
D.
We have B, right?
Yeah, D.
2 multiply 10.5, 4
Yeah.
multiply 19.95, and 8 multiply 8, we can write it as 8 power 2 using exponent. So which expression is this? 4 by 19.95 and 2 by 10.50 and plus 8 power 2. It is B, right?
Yeah.
But they put this here and this here. In the addition, it is commutative. So it's okay if you switch between the 2 expressions, right? So this is
Right.
the check, guys. Kabi. This is the check.
Mister, there is another part.
Where is it?
Part B. What is the total cost of the text ticket?
Had a part A here, the first question, the first part of the question. The second part, اللي هو part B, they want the total cost, right?
Yeah.
Let's find it. Thank you, Mr. What's your name? Yusuf?
Yusuf.
Thank you, Yusuf. I will go to Mr. Omar Mdawar. Omar. طيب.
Yes, Mister. Mister.
Omar, are you with me?
Yes, yes.
يلا يا عمر.
Yeah.
Part B, they want the total cost. How we find the total cost, يا عمر?
We will make the total cost. We will make the we will make plussing and adding.
We will we will evaluate this, right?
Yes, yes,
يلا. Let's evaluate. Can you tell me what I will do first here?
yes. First, we will go to the brackets and we will
Yeah,
make
hello. High brackets. Equal. 2 multiply 10.5.
10.5 equal 21.
So I'll write the expression here, guys. 2 multiply 10.5 plus 4 multiply 19.95 plus 8 to the power 2. مش هيك؟
Yes.
Yeah. This is equal. 2 multiply 10.5 is how much?
21. 21.
21. Yeah, exactly. And 4 multiply 19.95. I'll do it quickly here. Just give me a second.
Yes.
The answer will be 79.8. 79.8 plus. Are you with me, Omar?
Mr. Yes. Equal 79.8 plus 8.
8 to the power 2. Let's find it. How much?
2 equal 16. Equal 64.
Mumtaz. Right?
Yeah.
Now let's add these three numbers together to find the answer. Can you add them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
21 plus 7 plus 79. Mr. 79 what?
79.8. I added them, ya Amar.
Yeah, Miss. Oh, yes.
So,
My
part
answer
B,
is
guys.
right answer.
Sorry, guys. Part A. This is part A. We write the expression and we choose our answer. Part B, they want to find the answer of it. So we found the answer here. So this is the final answer here. This is the check, guys, in there, and it's two parts. Copy it, please, quickly. Copy it quickly, guys. Copy it quickly. And we are done here. All of you remove your hands, guys, please. I think we are done now. We are finished here, guys. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll do the practice page together. Thank you so much. And if you have questions,